Hey everybody, this is Jon Hinds here from the Monkey Bar Gym, and today I want to show you probably one of the best core exercises you could do that almost nobody on the planet knows how to do. He's going to do a windshield wiper, but he's going to do it at the very basic level. He's going to put his butt up next to the wall, and then to get a yoga block in your feet right, and you want to use a yoga block for sure, slide your feet down till they're flat on the wall, Jordan. Then he can put a yoga block between his feet. And now once it's there, then lift your feet off the wall and extend through your heels, okay? So this is the position you want to start with. Take your arms out to the sides. All right, now, he wants to use his arms. You want to use your arms on this movement. But the problem that most people do, and just do a typical, most people just take their legs to one side, and then they quickly go to the other, and each time that they do this, the top leg falls behind. So the top leg goes like this, and then it goes like this. Not only that, when they go, they lift their off shoulder. So when he goes this way, this shoulder lifts off the ground. When he goes the other way, his other shoulder lifts off the ground. So what's happening is you get a disconnect in your core and your hips. If you got tight hips and you do this exercise right, your hips are going to open up. All right? So what you're going to do is he's going to lift his feet off the wall about an inch or two. You want to hold him off the wall. But as he starts to move this way, I want him to freeze. I want him to extend this heel. So he literally has to move this hip up. And I don't care what your range is. As you're moving this way, we got two things we're focusing on. Freeze right there, Jordan. Extend this heel while keeping that leg straight. So that means he's got to lift this heel and push. There you go. Now his heels are even. But we want to keep this shoulder working down. So don't worry about your range. Get it right. Then we're going to reverse to the other side. He's got to start right away driving the top heel so that they stay even and driving that back shoulder. So drive this heel, beautiful, but keep this leg straight. So that means this heel has to drive over more, okay? This is the exercise. This is how to do a true windshield wiper side to side. You can relax now. That's hard, isn't it?
Very hard.
So doing even sets of 2 to 3 of this exercise properly is a huge difference. I know a lot of martial artists, they used to do the drill where somebody laying down holds your legs and they throw the legs side to side, and it's just a complete mess because the legs are all over the place and then the core is surviving it, and a lot of times that causes back issues. This way, what we're doing is we're giving the core and the hips integrity of the movement, and you're properly learning how to get a good rotation with your hips. The core and the hips work together. If they don't, then you're going to be at its mercy, and that's where a lot of injuries happen. So whenever you're doing this, if you want a really great core exercise that can give you huge benefits from martial arts or just an athlete or fitness person of any type, windshield wipers at this beginning level will do the trick.